Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll take a look at rental expenses. Rental expenses are defined as the expenses incurred by a taxpayer in order to rent out the taxpayer's property. Rental expenses are generally deducted in the year that the expenses are paid. Here are some very common types of rental expenses: advertising, auto and travel expenses, cleaning and maintenance of the rental property, commissions paid to realtors and other agents, depreciation of the property, insurance payments, certain interest payments, legal and professional fees, management fees, mortgage interest, points, repairs, taxes, and utilities. There are also several less common types of rental expenses, for example, fees paid for rental of equipment. Certain payments, like mortgage commissions, are specifically not allowed to be considered rental expenses. When figuring rental expenses, special rules apply in the following situations. If a taxpayer sometimes uses his or her rental property for personal use, expenses must be divided between rental and personal use. If a taxpayer owns partial interest in a property, deductions must be figured according to the percentage of ownership. Concerning mortgages, although mortgage interest is deductible, other expenses paid to obtain a mortgage, such as commissions, recording fees, and other abstract fees, are not deductible. Other special rules concerning transportation expenses, vacant rental property, and the refinancing of rental property also apply and must be considered when figuring rental deductions.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.